So today I'm going to show you guys ZanyonLocker update 1.3. So this is supposed to be a major update for ZanyonLocker because it has some new stuff. So anyways, let's get into this. So first I'm going to tell you the updates. So here are the following updates that took place in version 1.3.0. I have officially converted the code from Python to CSharp. Another cool thing is that I have added right-click context menu, which I'll show you in a minute for the comparison part. As you can see, I have launched the ZanyonLocker app. Now what you'll notice is that the layout has changed a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare from version 1.2 to the latest version 1.3. So let me go into my OneDrive. Okay, I deleted OneDrive, but I luckily can still put the path in the address bar. And then I've got a folder called ZanyonLocker versions. Now this is a backup of all my ZanyonLocker versions, so I'm going to open it. Then I'm going to look for version 1.2. So I found it, so I'm opening it. Okay, got it. So we have Python ZanyonLocker and CSharp ZanyonLocker on both sides. Now the first thing you'll notice is the icon. So in the taskbar on the right side, we got the Python and CSharp on the left. Now they have, for some reason, two original icons for both. As you can see, for the Python, it has like that Py installer icon, and for version 1.3, it has that CSharp icon. So don't worry, I might fix this in another update, but it's not really a big thing right now, so yeah. So I'm gonna open them side by side and compare them. So another thing you'll notice is that you can maximize and morph the window for version 1.2, but as you can see, in version 1.3, the maximize button is grayed out, because if you could maximize it, it would be awkward because all the buttons would stay to the left and the heading would in the middle, which, to be honest, isn't that cool. So another thing is the layout and color, because in the CSharp version, it has like the colors are darker, while in the Python version, it's more light. So now I'm going to close version 1.3. So I want to show you guys something cool where if you right click on, for example, I have this .bmp file. So if I right click on it, you can see in the context menu, you will see that there's a button saying encrypt/decrypt with ZanyonLocker. So this is where ZanyonLocker starts acting like a smarty pants. So if you have a normal file that's not a .zanion file, it will just open ZanyonLocker normally if you click that button in the context. But here's the catch. You see, I've labeled it as encrypt/decrypt with the ZanyonLocker. And the slash is important because here's when the catch comes in. So I'm just going to encrypt this bitmap image. So it's encrypted. Now I'm going to right click on it and press encrypt/decrypt with ZanyonLocker. Now this one's going to surprise you, and because ZanyonLocker has the logic in the code that it must only decrypt the Zanyon files, as you can see, it popped up asking for a password to the file. Now I'm going to input the password and ta-da! It is now decrypted. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you guys test out ZanyonLocker, link in the description. Also, I wanted to show you guys ZanyonLocker and VirusTotal. So let me just open Chrome. Now I'm going to virustotal.com. So I'm gonna upload the ZanyonLocker.exe file to it and wait. So I wanted to show you guys how much detection it got. So it got 9 out of 72 detections and labeled as a Trojan. And obviously this is normal for a custom tool like mine. So yeah, it's flagged as a Trojan because it's an unsigned CSharp app that touches the registry with a context menu. Anyways, goodbye. And remember to check out the link in the description. and read the readme.md file before you download ZanyonLocker, because it has important stuff like how to use it and the system requirements. So yeah, goodbye.